Hi, today I will show you some easy garage updates. Let's start with first update. This is those caps. Those are supposed to seal those kinds of silicones and stuff. You just unwrap this end and screw this end in. As you can see, the print quality wasn't the best one in the world, but it should be good enough. It's really tight. And in order to make that really working, you are supposed to put a O-ring inside here. Let me see if I have any proper one. Maybe this one. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is it supposed? Yeah, as you can see, the print quality is really bad, but it's good enough. I've probably set too high temperature on the nozzle. Now this is going to be really sealed tightly. Oh yeah. This is a really great idea. Please check down below for the Thingiverse link for this cap. Those are really great. You just need an O-ring, put it inside, and it really seals. Great stuff. The second upgrade is this glasses holder. This is really easy print, and it is supposed to hold glasses like that. The one thing I do not like about it is there is no chamfer for the screw. So let me quickly do it. But maybe yeah, that should be enough. And the hole is too small. Now it's really good. No, need a bigger chamfer. Just a little bit more. Yeah, now it should be okay. Yeah, now it's flush. So let me screw it quickly.